Hi, my name is Sandra from Delightful Eats, and I am thrilled to be able to bring to you our latest offering in our collection of books. This one is Holistic Emergency Remedies. Holistic Emergency Remedies. And in this book, we are highlighting everyday ingredients, things we normally have around the house or that are easily available that we can now use in a whole nother way. There are things that we have that we can use for heart attacks. There is one instance that I've actually noted in the book of a daughter. Her father had a heart attack, massive heart attack, was waiting for the emergency crew to get there, gave her father Cayenne. They came, medics came, they declared him dead in the ambulance. He revived. Cayenne is like that shock to the system. It revived him. He was able to go in a semi-conscious state to the hospital, was treated, was right as rain. There are so many instances where cayenne pepper has been used for heart attacks, whether they feel it coming on or whether they're in the midst of it, has been able to help with that and give them time to get to the hospital. There have been so many instances where just activated charcoal has so many benefits, and so does cayenne. That's just one. Activated charcoal, I have been on a number of occasions where people have had something, didn't know there were nuts in it or whatever they were allergic to, and went into anaphylactic shock. One young child couldn't get to the car, didn't have the EpiPen on her, was able to crack a capsule of activated charcoal, put it in water, she drank it, within seconds, her throat started to open back up. More than one occasion, I have personally been there, countless occasions that this has been used for. Food poisoning, eat something that's a little off sometimes, you feel that feeling in the pit of your stomach, activated charcoal within minutes. Locks in those toxins, helps your system to just lock it and take it through. So many instances, different remedies with activated charcoal. There have been onions. I've had one young lady personally that came to me, was actually in the praise team at church, and said that she was went into asthma attack and didn't know what to do. She was able to manage it at that moment, couldn't necessarily sing that day, but was able to manage it. I recommended to her, I says, well, onions are known to help when it comes to upper respiratory problems. So next time, if you're home, you have an onion or walk with an onion, cut it, smell it, chew it, depends on, there's a couple ways of using it. She came to me after having an episode and said, I can't believe how well that onion worked. There are so many things, that everyday things for some things that are really kind of traumatic to us, that we go through, that our loved ones go through, that we have ingredients around us that we could use to take off that stress, to take off that pressure, and then give us that extra chance to get to emergency services, get into the hospital. There was another instance of, I was doing a presentation, I teach a lot, was doing a presentation and mentioned how amazing honey is when it comes to wound healing. The young lady was there. She had a friend who just had surgery. Wound would not heal. Went to him and mentioned what she had heard from me. Said, okay, nothing tried, nothing gained, because this wound is not closing up. Put on honey on the wound. And within days, not even days, pretty quickly, because you can tell when your wounds are healing, it started to close up and healed. So many instances, honey, with all the properties in it, help us to heal. There's coconut oil. We know we have the diaper rash on the children. One of the things it's exceptional for. We put on that diaper rash cream. Sometimes it's so challenging to get on without causing pain and to get off. Coconut oil, there is something about it that just soothes within seconds. I've had babies screaming in such pain. They put on that coconut oil and within seconds, pain is gone. So many things in this book that you'll find a wealth of knowledge for you and yours. So I'm so happy, honored to be able to offer you these remedies that I've collected over the decades that I'm now able to share with you.